Hi everybody and welcome to Close Your Eyes. It's a little RPG game that I have found on Steam, and I'll make sure to leave that in the description below. But I don't know, let's see how it goes. Start. For playing, the option menu on the title screen lets you adjust resolution and audio settings. Press F12 or set the game at any time. Default on any keyboard. Controls are arrow keys to move. Enter space Z to interact. Escape X or number 0 to cancel. Defaulty, that's controller. You can change the controls and some of the minor options by pressing F1. F2 will show your FPS. Pressing Alt and Enter at any time will make the game go full screen. So let's do that. Oh, sweet. I didn't know I could do that. Alright. As a horror game, don't rob yourself the experience. The game is best enjoyed in a dark environment wearing headphones. Please close your eyes. I'm not closing my eyes. I don't trust you enough.
Close your eyes.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi. Oh, that's loud.
Boys and girls. How you all doing?
I'm great!
Today, our exciting contestant is death-defying. Death wrong-defying, that is.
It's weird because the volume is switching from this headphone, it crescendos and then decrescendos and then does the same on the opposite side. It's very weird.
He's a little tied up right now. Let's go check on him.
Okay. Do you have any last words? Then may God have mercy on your soul. Release the platform. Am I getting hanged? What in tarnations? The damn rope broke. Someone stop him. He's getting away. Ah, it's a witch. If you watch Practical Magic, you know exactly that the rope broke. What's over here? Weeds are growing up on the ground. Alright. I'm assuming I'm supposed to go this way. There are pipes sticking out from the wall. Oh. Oh, I go down here. What the fuck was that? You guys saw that. Okay. What are you? The Illuminati? Oh! It's a safe. This subway must have been long abandoned. There's weeds growing everywhere. Oh, we're in a subway. Pretty sure that's gonna say the same thing there. Oh, no, go fucking back. I thought, okay, so. Huh? A poster of an eye. Wonder what it's for. It's probably Illuminati. Pipes are being stuck out the wall. There's a door here. Let's go inside. Hidden hag hides the key. A worker graffiti, there's a message written in it. Hidden hag holds the key. Oh. It looks like it says hides. Actually, it looks more it says something else. Okay, there's the eye again. Is this poster supposed to be an eye? What a strange symbol. Is there any other door? What's that? Let's see. It looks like it might be the only door. Other than the one I came in. Yeah. Wonder. Ooh. There's a key, or a shiny thingy. There's something caught in the weeds. Obtained red labeled cassette. Ooh! Cassette tapes. This appears to be a tape player and recorder. Play the yes.
Snort, snort, can you see where she hides? If you guess wrong, you'll be
What a peculiar sound.
Dies. Snort, snort, can
What was
you
that?
see where she hides? If you guess wrong, you'll
This door.
be the
Oh,
one
there's
who
this. Okay.
dies. Snort, snort,
Must have
can
opened
you
something.
see where she hides? If you guess wrong,
This
you'll
door's
be
also
the one
locked.
who
So it must be that door.
Snort, snort, can you see where she hides? If you
Oh, this door is
wrong,
open.
you'll be the one who dies.
Lovely.
Snort,
Seems to be a light
snort,
switch, but there's no
can
power
you
being
see
supplied.
where she
Okay.
hides? If you guess wrong, you'll be the one who
There's an
dies.
item here. Obtain blue labeled cassette. Alright.
Can you see where she hides? If you guess wrong, you'll be the one who dies. Cable, snort, snort, can you see where she hides?
Yes.
If you guess wrong, you'll be the one who
I like it fades.
Once upon a time in another place there was
Alright.
an old hag, or so they say. She cursed anyone who dared
Probably this
tread
door
on
now.
her
Let's go to this door.
lonely space. Once upon a time in another
Now the
place
door's open.
there
There we go.
was an old
Alright.
hag, or so they say. She cursed anyone
I like how
who
it looks like it's been drawn by a child.
lonely space. Once
This one looks really.
upon a time
Those
in
look
another
really
place
weird.
there was an old
There's an
hag, or
item
so
here.
they say.
Obtain
She
yes.
cursed
Okay.
anyone who dared tread on her lonely space. Once upon
I wonder what dark meaning there is
another
behind
place
this.
there was an old hag, or so they say. She cursed anyone who dared tread on her lonely space. Scratching at your
I was expecting it to be like demonic or
let
something.
the tears flow, lost in an empty shell, only known as
This one sounds a bit sad.
hatred. Scratching
Now that door has to be open.
fears, let
Open sesame.
tears flow, lost in an empty
I wonder how these weeds sustain themselves.
only known as
It's a power
hatred.
generator. Turn on. Yes. Power is now on. So I can swap out the yellow one for the blue cassette tape. I mean, it's no longer working. Why? Door's open. Okay. Didn't you say you worked? I thought. Oh wait, I have to turn it on. Hold on. Sorry. Light switch. Power's back on. So it should be working. Yes. What the fuck was that? Was this here before? I guess it was rather dark. Obtain turnstile ticket. Okay. Fair enough. Alright. Should I like that sound? Okay, let's go ahead and leave. I saw you. I don't know how I feel about that, sir. You shouldn't be sneaking up on me. Oh, shit. Entered the turnstile ticket. Yay. The turnstile gate is now open. Well, I did something before even knowing. I usually like touching, like, going and making sure I got everything before, so I get things done quicker, apparently. Oh, here's another save point. Alright. Yes. Am I in water? What the hell? I'm flying, apparently. What the fuck was that? Oh, it looked like a girl. I don't... Maybe this helps these things grow. I don't want to touch you.
This isn't right. This isn't... Where do you suppose we're headed?
She kind of sounds like the Disney version of Alice.
The subway system isn't in use anymore. So, why are you here? Are you hiding? Did you do something wrong?
No!
When was it?
When was what? When was what? Alright, this game's already like gave me the goosebumps. Oh, don't do that sound. Okay. What is this? These weeds really do grow everywhere around here, huh? Does he change every time, or just areas? Okay, it looks like they just changed every area. What is this? It's too dark to see it. Okay. Well, apparently that something was moving over there, guys. I wish I could fucking run or something. I don't think there was a running run. It's too dark to see it. What's this? Later, this could be useful. Alright. Ah, much better. Alright, go here. An eye is staring back at me. I poster of an eye, I mean. Okay. Maybe, from the graffiti, since he saw us, maybe that's helping him see. I don't know. It's a door, right? A garbage can. What's so special in there? Huh, there's a memo in here. There's something new within the woods. Huh? Is it that person that's fucking over there or something? I don't know. Is this lighter gonna go out eventually? Oh, I just noticed. I thought this whole time it was a scarf, but it's just a broken noose. Is there something over here? Might be another momentum. A garbage can. Can't say I see anything of use. Okay, so there was of a use before. Oh great. Let's go down here. Let's see what's down here. Is that a bench? Is that supposed to be like a bench or something? If it's a bench, Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my, a corpse. It looks a bit odd. I thought I said old. Oh, don't like chase after me. A metal wire gate is blocking the way. It seems to descend further into the subway station. This is really weird now. Oh, hey, wait a minute. Sorry. It's a garbage can? A garbage can? Can't say. Okay. And then a paper. A note is plastered here. It seems to be related to the train systems at the station. The train runs in a straight line. There are 4 stations and a different colored door opens at each of the stations. The station furthest east opens the blue door. This station, first station to the east, opens the red door. The first station at the west opens the yellow door, and the furthest station to the west opens the green door. The train's route is the same every day. It always begins and ends its route at this station. It then heads to the station furthest east. The only time in the day it goes that far eastward. It then heads all the way west, making a stop at each of the stations along the way. The train then heads back east by 1, and then goes backwards the way it came to the west by 1. It then ends its route, and comes to rest for the night. The route it takes also doubles as the release for the security lock. Oh great. I have to remember things. This seems to be the security lock of the train. Enter in the passcode. It seems it wants to enter in some 8-button combination. Which button shall I press? Yellow. Red. Green. Blue. Green. Red. Yellow. Yellow. Okay. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, so I have to write this down because, okay, so let me find, guys, I know I have to write that down. Oh, I can write it down in here. Alright, let's go. My little Jack Skellington thingy that I got, my sister gave to me. Go here. A note is plastered here. Train system. Okay. East. Furthest. Blue. First station. Station. To east. Red. First station to west, right? Yeah, west opens the yellow door, yellow, and then furthest, so furthest west green. There we go. It tells you. It literally tells you in the next thing. The train's route is the same every day. It always begins and ends in the route of the station. Okay, so it then heads to the station furthest east, the only time in the day. Okay, so it goes from first station, so red, so R, red, first station east, then head in the furthest east, the only time in the day it goes that far eastward. It then heads all the way west, making a stop at each. So then it goes, okay, so blue, so red, blue, red, all the way west, yellow, light, go green. Along the way, the train then heads back. Okay, so then green. The train then heads back east by 1, and then goes backwards the way it came to west. So it goes back from green, it goes yellow, and then red. Backwards the way it came to the west by 1. And then it goes to yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That should be it. It ends the route. Okay, so that should be it. Let's go try it out. Alright. Red, blue, red, yellow, green, yellow, red, yellow. Is that it? Did I do it? I think I fucked up. I think I messed up somewhere. Is it to open something? Is it supposed to open? Is it supposed to open like one of these doors or something? The train is parked here. It looks a bit peculiar. Maybe let me try it upside down. Hold on. I don't know. Am I just not understanding the words correctly? Alright, so let's do, okay, so yellow, red, yellow, green, yellow, red, blue, red. Let's try it one more time. Okay, the one I originally had. Alright, so red, blue, red, yellow, green, yellow, red, yellow. Okay. It's obviously not that one. Alright, be right back. Awesome, I did it, guys. Alright, welcome back. Ugh, that pissed me off. Alright, now we're on. That was it. The train security should now be unlocked. Alright, let's go. I wish there was a shift button. And these have nothing to do, right? The train is parked here. Alright. It said train security, so maybe it was. Of course, man, it's freaking me out. Why did you go towards it, sir? This, right? Metal wall gate is blocking the way. Seems to descend further into the game. Nom nom nom. Alright, now this is a mystery all on its own, but that's because I have no clue where to go from here. Oh wait, there's nothing over there, so let's go here. Up here. Down here. Oh hey, look, there's a garbage can. Did I check this? Garbage can, yep. I checked it. Oh, wait. There was a door. I think it was up here. No, I lied. I'm sorry, everybody. I lied. Dirty, dirty liar. What's around here? Is there a door? I'm just like missing? Yeah, it's not over there. Oh, God. Where in the almighty? Did it tell me in the notes where to go? Hold on. The security lock is already turned off. Where is the security lock? That can't be the security lock. It tells me I'm a dirty liar. Alright. Maybe I have to go back. That's a long ass walk, but maybe I have to go all the way back. So I'll just speed up and I'll meet you guys there. So here I am, I'm back. Okay, so we went through the red door. That was where I had first went, and you know how there was colored doors? Well, I walked all the way to the stairs, right? Sorry, I'm skipping all over the place. Well, I walked all the way back to the stairs, and it told me, oh, I couldn't go back. So I had to walk all the way back, walked back over to the, where the colored doors were, and then I picked the red door, and that's where I was supposed to go. So, yeah. I'm an idiot, I know. Shut up. We're just gonna descend down these long... Are these the tracks? Am I in a train track? Ooh! Is it nighttime? The fear of the dark is sometimes stronger than the light of the night. Let the moon comfort you. The moon provides light too much. Bon, I can't... So Bon is, he's laying not in my lap, on my arms. So, thank you. Close your eyes and sleep it all away. The sun will rise soon. Oh God, Bon, get off my keyboard! Oh Lord Cat. Sunny side up! Hard-boiled, devaled. I know it's deviled. Or scrambled. How do you like your eggs, little man? Ooh, I like sunny side up eggs. Personally. Actually, I don't remember what they're called. Now that I think about it. But they're sunny side eggs, but they're cooked on both sides. I'm sorry for throwing rocks at your window, but come here. There's something I want to show you. Come on, lazy head, if you don't hurry. What is that? The itsy bitsy spider crawled off the water spout. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Oh wait, I completely fucked it up, didn't I? I did. It's been so long since I've heard that. Jeez. But I know the theme. Or at least I know the song. How long has it been? It's been at least 10 minutes. Wow. Okay, so it's already been 31 minutes. I'm gonna keep going because there's a lot of things that I'm skipping out of here. So I'll go do one more thing. What is that thing doing here? What are these? Do you guys hear that? Oh, it does not sound pleasant. Oh wait, I forgot to check that garbage can. Hold on. Someone left a half-eaten burger in here. That's nice. Another eye poster. Its gaze. It is looking at something. It's looking at you, sir. It's looking at you. What the fuck are you? You're supposed to be a spider? There's a giant skull here hanging from the webs. Cobwebs fill its eyes. Oh, a spider got a hold of you. Spider got a hold of you. Oh. God. Alright, so... It is indeed a weed. Where should I go? Left, right, or straight? Give you 5 seconds to think about it. I'm gonna go left. Trash has a variety of plucked weeds inside. Who's been taming the weeds? Maybe there's a hint somewhere in here. I'm not doing that. Let's go right. Up? Okay, no. Maybe there is a hint down here. Somewhere. Maybe one of these guys have it. What are these? I keep wanting to say, what are those? Because of the stupid fucking meme. Okay, maybe this picture has it. Giant crystals, they glow a hazy blue. I'm looking directly at them, but they feel so distant. It sounds like there's something fucking walking. There were reeds, sure, growing. Huh? Yep. I fucked that all up. Is it with the people? Like, alright, hold on. There's 2 people there. One. I'm gonna have to figure this one out because I don't know exactly where. Alright, so let's go. I know this way is the correct way. Oh, wait, no, I lied. I'm sorry. Alright, so straight was first. Go back. Okay, straight, left, and maybe this way. Alright, fuck. Let's go left again. Okay, and then another street. Fuck! I was so close! Alright. No, it's not that way. You dickwad, playing all over my things. Alright. I got it now. Alright. Is it straight now? Yeah, it was. And then I took a left here. Maybe it was right again. No! Okay, so it's left and left twice, so... Alright, so... I had to figure this out myself, guys. Or maybe it's down. Maybe. It's down. It was down. Alright. We get it! We did it! Oh my god, you guys should be fucking proud of me. Hi. It feels like it's watching me. Oh, don't move. Oh, don't move. Ah! Oh, what are you guys? Oh, you guys are nasty. Oh, I wish I had a better light. Oh, I wish I had a better light. Oh, I wish I had a better light. Oh, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Hey, that's important. Oh, I can't even hit it anymore. So what was that? What's all of these posters of eyes even for? A cult? A band? They seem unnatural somehow. Oh, I thought I was going to say something else. Oh god, I can't even click on that anymore. Hi. Oh, hey. Well, that freaked me out.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Hi!
How y'all doing?
I'm not doing so
Now,
bad.
the name of the game is to answer truest to yourself. There's no right and wrong. Or a loser, depending on how you think about it. Life is all about perception, you see. On to the first question. You're a murderer. We all know it. What do you think you are?
Oh, I can't even choose. Huh, let's see. Answer number A.
Yes, you are. And you narrowly avoided death row. How exciting.
That is very exciting.
You're saying I rigged the questions? Only one answer. Oh, you're a funny one.
It's true, though.
There's always only one answer. On to the next question.
Yeah? Okay. Oh, I keep wanting to hit WASD.
Question 2. Are we beneath the surface?
We are underground. I don't really believe this is underground. All I see is a whole lot of nothingness around me.
Oh, really? Tell me more. And the next question.
Sounds like Wilford Worst stash. That's freaking me out.
But first, the system responses.
Oh god.
Have you had trouble seeing clearly?
You.
Well, we would like to remind you, close your eyes.
He's raping.
Just close them.
No!
Then you'll really start seeing.
No! Music's picked up.
Why?
No, I'm not fucking closing them. Is this an ending? The lighter seems to have gone out. Okay. Wow. Wow, geez. Okay, so I'm probably gonna keep playing tonight, but holy crap, that was just bonkers in my opinion. But how are you guys liking it? Sorry it took me a little long on that stupid color puzzle thing. Oh my god, I feel so stupid. I had a oh my god, I just felt like a complete idiot. But I don't know. So far I'm really liking the game. I don't know. I saw it was a very when I was on Steam, there was a big mix on how they felt about this game. So I don't know. I'm liking it so far. What do you guys think? Leave it in the tell me in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to read it. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button for me. I work so hard on these videos, and stay prehistoric, my buddies. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.